Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language in VistaCreate account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Simply type create.vista.com in your address bar and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings option. Here, make sure that you are selected on the Account tab. After that, scroll down until you find Language option. Click on the drop-down box and select the language from here. You can choose any language from here. After selecting your language, you can see that the language has been changed in your VistaCreate account. So that is how you can change your language in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.